Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by stabilizing the workpiece and protecting yourself with gloves and eye protection. Apply penetrating oil to the joint and use a heat source to expand metal. This loosens rust so the pin moves. Next, grip the exposed pin firmly with locking pliers and pull while tapping around the head to break corrosion. Once done, use steady pressure. Avoid jerking because sudden force can shear the pin or damage surrounding metal. Keep rhythm. Heat, oil, grab. You now switch to driving techniques to coax the pin free. Place a punch slightly smaller than the pin, align squarely and strike in short, controlled blows. This moves the pin without mushrooming the head. If the pin won't budge, alternate tapping from the opposite side to rock it free. Once it shifts, use pliers or an extractor. Sometimes drilling a small pilot hole allows a screw to back the pin out. Make sure to support the piece. Bending will complicate extraction. You finish by removing any distortion and preparing the hole for a new pin. File the edges smooth, debur, and clean with solvent so the replacement seats properly. Then apply anti-seize or light grease to prevent recurrence. Test fit the new pin gently to ensure alignment. If a pin snaps, don't panic. Drill it concentrically with increasing drill sizes, then ream and insert a sleeve or larger dowel. If you get stuck, stop and reassess alignment before drilling further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.